So I bought a Volvo 740 Turbo 1987. The guy said it had low-end piston slap. That's what the shop he took it to diagnosed it with. But I was just wondering if you guys had any better ideas of what it is. So it's only running on 3 spark plugs because one of the spark plug wires is faulty and was causing the engine to misfire. And I did try and use like some of these pieces of wood, some long pieces of wood, to try and use as a stethoscope, and it seems like the knock is a lot louder coming from the oil pan than from the valve cover up here. So I'll start it up and you guys can comment below what you think it is. So I don't know if you can hear that. So yeah, if you guys have any idea what you think that is, or you have you've owned a Volvo 740 Turbo, or you're a mechanic and you might know what that noise is, please just comment below, because I'm really trying to diagnose it, figure out what it is so I can fix it as soon as possible.